Hey, and welcome back to a new episode. Today I want to show you how to password protect your Webflow website. So you can either protect a single page in your Webflow project or you can protect a whole website. First of all, if you are going into your dashboard in Webflow, you can go to the settings of your project, and then in general, you will find the option to password protect your whole website. So let's imagine we want to open up the website now. As you can see, everyone can access it. Once we set the toggle to website protection, we can put a password in here. So for example, test. And now I want to publish the website and let's see what happens. It should be password protected now. Yes, if I access the website, I now need to put in the password. So that's really, really cool to protect a whole website. For example, if you are still in development. But I also want to show you how it works if you just want to protect a single page. So we are going to change the toggle here back, move into the designer, and now we have the option in the page menu to take a look at the dedicated pages. So let's imagine we just want to have the imprint page password protected. We can click here on settings in the page menu, and then we can say, hey, we want to password protect the page. So we put the password in here, save, publish, and now let's see what will happen. Okay, it's deployed. Let's open up the main page. Main page looks good, so we can load that without any kind of problem. And now we want to go to the imprint, and once we go to the imprint, we see the password protection coming up. So yeah, that's basically it, how you can protect your whole Webflow project or just a simple page in Webflow with a password. If you have any comments, questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I wish you a great rest of your week and bye-bye.